6 are 36. After 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 0. So 30 1 ja 30. Denominator 1 leave it, no use. So b equal to 30. B mean other number. Next number, second number, anyone. So b equal to other number. B equal to 30. So our answer is B. That is. So decimal form of 36 by 2 cubed into 5 square is dash. Decimal mean point values. So option given 0.36, 0.18, 0.72, 0.108. Decimal directive method, that is the division, any division. But here very simple method, 36 by 2 cubed into 5 square, that is 36 by 2 cubed mean 8, 5 square mean 25, 2 cubed mean 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So 2 cubed equal to 8, right? Here 5 square, 5 into 5, 25. Next 36 by 20, 25 8 ja 200 multiplication. So this is also right in the form of 2 into 100, 2 into 100, 2 1 ja 2, 2 18s, 2 1 ja 2, remainder 1, 2 8 ja 16. So that is 18 by 100. In previous class I told denominator zeros, 1 0, put one after one, put the point after one digit, 2 zeros put point after two numbers, 3 zeros after 3 numbers, 4 zeros after 4 numbers, anyone. So here 2 zeros, so we put point after 2 numbers in the left side. So 1 8, 1 8. So here 2 numbers. So because of 2 zeros, 2 numbers after 1, 2 numbers after before 0, we assume 0.18, 0.18. So 0.18 is the answer. 0.18 is the answer. Very simple. Once again, decimal form of, so point values. Decimal form of 36 by 2 cubed into 5 square is dash. So the number is given in the rational number p by q form. We solve a very easy division. But here product of some numbers. So first of all simplify the numbers. So option 0.36, 0.18, 0.72, 0.108. Here 36 by 2 cubed into 5 square. 36 by 2 cubed mean 2 3 times multiplication, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Next 5 square mean 5 into 5, 2 times multiplication. Now 36 by 2 cubed mean 8, 25, 5 square mean 25, 36 by 25 8 ja or 8 25 ja, anyone, no problem. So 25 8 ja 200, 36 by 200, 2 into 100 means, so 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, remainder 1, 2 8 ja 16. So 18 by 100. So in previous class I told very simple method depending on zeros, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, anyone. Don't division, we get answer by method of fundamental. So here 2 zeros. So numerator number after 2 digits, after 2 numbers, we put decimal to put point value. So 1 8 after left to right, left to right. So 2 numbers, 1 2 numbers after point, put point, point before there is no number, that means 0. So our answer is 0.18. So 0.18 is the best answer. Here given 4th root of 81 minus 8 into cube root of 216 plus 15 into 5th root of 32 plus root of 225. Here all are cube root, 4th root, 5th root, anyone. First of all we simplify the problem, after we get a answer. Simplify mean 4th root of 81 minus 8 into cube root of 216 plus 15 into 5th root of 32 plus root of 2 to 5, 25. So fourth root mean which numbers, same numbers multiply, we get 81. Four numbers, which number? For example, first 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 twos. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Not here. After 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So we get 81. So here fourth root mean fourth root of 3 power 4. Because of same number multiplication, we get fourth root or the third root, anyone. After 8 into cube root, same 3 numbers multiplication, we get to 216. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, not here. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, not here. 3 are 9, 9 3s are 27, not here. Next 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, not here. 5, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, not here. 6, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. So here. So this is also right. Cube root of 6 cubed plus 15 into fifth root of any 5 numbers, we get 32. First of all, starting 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. First of all, we get. So for 2 is the value of 2 power 5 plus 225 root. We get we know already 225 root 15. 15 into 15, 225. So 2 numbers, any root mean there is no number. Root mean any 2 numbers. Any 2 numbers, product of any 2 numbers. So for 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100, 11 11s are 121. Near value. 12 12s are 144. 13 13 are 169, 14 4 are 196, 15 15 are 225. So 15 is the root of 225. That's all. Next, for 3 power 4 into fourth root mean 1 by 4. Fourth root mean 1 by 4 minus 8 into 6 cubed whole power. Cube root mean 1 by 3 plus 15 into 2 power 5. Fifth root mean 1 by 5 plus 15. Next, 4 4 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 5 5 cancel. We get 3 power 1 mean 3, 8 into 6 power 1 mean 6 plus 15 into 2 power 1 mean 2 plus 15. Next, 3 minus 8 6 are 48, 15 2 are 30 plus 15. All plus value addition. So plus 3 here plus 30, 33, 33 okay, 15, 48. 48 minus 48, we get cancel and we get 0. 0 is the answer. First one, A is the answer. So given fourth root of 81 minus 8 into cube root of 216 plus 15 into fifth root of 32 plus fifth root of 225. So fourth root mean which numbers, same numbers multiply, we get 81. That is the value. Next here cube root, which numbers are multiply only 3 numbers, we get 216, that is the value. Next here fifth root, which numbers are 5 numbers multiplication, we get 32, that is the answer. So root value we know already, fundamental. So 225 root 15. So fourth root of 81 mean 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times multiplication we get 81. So 3 power 4 because of here fourth root. Here 216 cube root. Cube root means 3 numbers, any 3 numbers. Here we get 6 cubed. 6 into 6 36. 36 6 are 216. So 6 cubed we get. After 32. 32 means same numbers 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. So 2 power 5. So fourth root mean 1 by 4. Cube root mean 1 by 3. Fifth root mean 1 by 5. So 4 4 cancel. 3 3 cancel. 5 5 cancel. We get 3 power 1 mean 3. 8 into 6 power 1 mean also 6. 15 into 2 power 1 mean also 2 plus 15. So first of all 3, 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. Here 8 into 6. 8 into 6. Here also 15 into 8 6 are 48. Here 15 2 are 30. 15. So first of all addition only positive values. 3 30 33 33 15 48. after minus 48 plus 48 minus 48 cancellation, we get 0. So A is the answer. Root of given root a by b plus b by a minus 2 equal to dash. So root mean we change under root the terms also square numbers. So answer root a by b minus root b by a. Second option root a by b plus root b by a. Third option c by root b plus b by root a. Next fourth option a by b plus b by a. Which of the following? So given problem is convert into square roots. So a by b plus b by a minus 2. Write as root of a by b mean root a by b whole square.